How are you? Pleasure. How are you, sir? Good to see you.
Hello, everybody. Hello. On behalf of His Highness, we would like to welcome everybody. And we're going to enjoy a very nice dinner. So I would ask everybody to go to their table and have a seat. We're going to have a small introduction about the gold reserve Sukuk from Mustafa Belkhiyat and Mohamed Baracha. Mustafa?
Welcome everybody. I am very happy to see you here. And the idea was that if we want to have Islamic finance, we have first to have gold here, because the gold is not here. So the idea is to bring physical gold in the region. And when I came here, I met a lot of people in Saudi Arabia, in Bahrain, and in Dubai. And all people, they had all the same reaction. They say, it is impossible to do what you want to do. And why the other big guys, they don't do what you want to do. And when I met the prince, Khalid, the first second, he told me, it is a great idea what you want to do, and please let me know what you need to do. And it is a revolution for me, because I'm coming from Europe, or people never think like that. They don't think, okay, it is really possible, and what do you need? So now, we are building a bridge between Europe and Dubai to bring physical gold and to store physical gold in Dubai and make, inshallah, Dubai the kingdom of the physical gold. This is the idea, because if you want to build Islamic finance, we should have first the physical gold here, because gold is definitely the only currency 100% Sharia compliant. So we have first to build something based on the physical gold. So now I'm pleased to let the Mohammed Baracha from Northern World to give why this structure is Sharia compliant and all other questions that we can have. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, Your Highness. Welcome to this event tonight. I've been asked to say a few words to you about the Gold Reserve Sukuk, which, when we think about the last 2 days and the vision of Sheikh Mohammed, we see that Dubai is emerging and has emerged as the centerpiece for the Islamic economy. And over the last 2 years, and particularly the last 3 or 4 years since the financial crisis, we've seen Dubai really re-emerging and reinventing itself as a centerpiece for the Islamic economy. And we've heard over the last 2 days many things which reinforce this message. What the Gold Reserve Sukuk does is it offers an innovative product to the industry. And we are in an industry that needs to invent. We've only been going for 40 years. And if we think about the conventional finance industry that's been going on for hundreds of years, we have a lot of catching up to do in terms of maturity. In the field of Sukuk, we have seen that the debt capital market issuances over the past few years have definitely increased. But what we've seen is a plethora of asset-based Sukuk rather than asset-backed Sukuk. And when we look at the industry and what Sukuk means, we see that there is a lack of product that banks are chasing, and we have a lack of intellectual capital to build out our products. What Gold Reserve Sukuk does is it seeks to not only deal with pertinent issues that the industry needs from a commercial perspective, it places them in the heart of the hub of the industry, being Dubai, and it also creates product for financial institutions and other end users, which is something that's needed. The concept is very simple. How do we bring a very valuable commodity such as gold into the Muslim world, into the Middle East, where we have a lack of gold when compared to the reserves in other parts of the world? And what Gold Sukuk does is it creates a structure for investors to participate in a very well-known asset class, a very well-known commodity such as gold, which has got an extensive history throughout Islamic eras. It used to be our currency. It has pegged other currencies. And we are now seeing a re-emergence of gold where central banks stockpile and require physical delivery of their product. So definitely this is one of those areas which is very compatible with Islamic finance. And the concepts of Sukuk, which have been used to date for debt capital market instruments, is an ideal structure and an ideal way in which you can participate in the Sukuk. So this is a brief introduction about the Gold Reserve Sukuk. It's truly an innovative product. It's an asset-backed product which is available for investors across the globe to participate in. And the transparency of the structure and the corporate governance of the structure of the product is, of course, exceptionally important. And all of these things come together, alhamdulillah, with the pioneering spirit of His Highness and other sponsors behind this product. And we hope that this is successful for not only the investors, but also the Emirate of Dubai and the UAE generally. Thank you very much.
First, I'd like to thank His Royal Highness, Prince Khalid bin Talal, for allowing me to have a few words at his house and event. Some of you may know me. For those who don't, my name is Ahmed bin Sulayem. I am the chairman of Dubai Gold and Commodities Exchange, the director in Dubai Diamond Exchange, and the executive chairman of Dubai Multi-Commodities Center. I want to just add to some of the comments made about the gold investments and the Sharia compliant gold investments. We've touched on this on a number of facets. I would like to go on the most important one and closer to heart is when we raised $200 million of Sharia compliant gold Sukuk, and it was rated by second in the UAE to be rated by S&P, and it financed what Jumeirah Lake Towers is today, the Al Mas Tower, the tallest diamond tower in the world, tallest office building in the Middle East, and the gold and silver tower. It financed our management, it kept us going and moving forward, so much that we are now representing 66 towers, over 7,500 companies. That makes us the largest free zone. I don't want to dwell too much away from the gold product, but we saw the benefit. We went the Sharia way and paid off big time. On the Gold and Commodities Exchange, by first or second quarter, depending on how much effort Gary Anderson puts into it and his team from DGCX, we will be listing the gold spot trading. Recently, we've launched the plastic futures. We also have the gold hedge funds that's managed by, in the US, which is new to them. We introduced the Sharia compliant, the scheme to John Hathaway and Turkios, and we've won awards, and that's a track record of 5 years. The same with Energy and Rand Rice, Sharia compliant as well. We look forward to build on the experiences and the numbers that have come up, not just awards, not for show, and it's really refreshing to see this turnout and this interest, because we've been saying this for a couple of years now, and this is all under the guidance of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates, ruler of Dubai, for guiding the DMCC and supporting the Dubai Multi-Commodities Center and DGCX to move in this direction. With that track record, I believe that His Highness pushed very hard for Dubai.